Alright guys, so y'all wonder why I was telling you the sheild was a mess. Look at that. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 sheild for the back. 3 for the back and 1 for the front. So this one, he'll go like that. And remember I told you the bolts, they'll fit perfectly here. Okay, so this is gonna be the sheild for the back, and I got more to install, like those 2. Remember those 3 bolts that I drilled in the back? I'm gonna install those with this one. So I guess this one goes like that. One piece will go like that, and this one will go around the turbo. Gotta manage your way. It'll go like that, somewhere like that. Let me try to find it and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I found the way I'll do it. This one will go like that. Okay, so with the bolt installed, and those ones gonna have to go like that. So you see how we gonna do it, guys? This one here, I have to find another bolt to connect those 2 here. This one and this one, the bolts should be connected with them too, so I'll find a way. If not, I'll leave it like that. I'm not gonna stress myself too much. I did enough for the sheild. So, and there's a little in the other one. I'll show you guys the other one that covered the turbo, just like that. So this is how you will be able to install the sheild back. All right. For the bolts, remember I told you guys you gotta grease them. NTCs, the gray one, heat resistant temperature. We almost there, guys. We almost ready to install the turbo and finish the job. So let's continue, guys. We almost there. So let me put everything back together, including this one. Well, this one is going to be easy to install, but let me put it back and I'll show you guys. Coming back.